Oh, hello, my friends. How are you? Yeah. So today we're gonna look at geometry. So we're gonna look at these problems using Python and the sympy library. Okay, they're the same problems I used as well for a video that I've done with Maple. Okay, so I'll put the link in the comments. Then we can take it from there. Right. On a side note, guys, I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you do like what you see, please do subscribe and please do share the videos with your friends. So cool. Let's get started. So from then sympy.geometry, then import. I got my start, and then from sympy again, import start, then init, print in. Right, there we go. So that's just a pretty print. And then my symbols x equals symbols. Right. So I've got the 2 points that I need to. I've got the line, sorry, that I need to work with. So I've got 2 points there. So 0 and 7 and 3 and 19. So that's my x, that's my y, x and y, right? So I need to assign them to variables. So a equals point 0 and 7, and then my b will be equal to point 3 and 19. Right? Okay, so I need to find the distance of the line. All right, and what I'm gonna do is create a new variable s and then call segment for points a and b, right? And then now to find the length, so f dot length. Okay, there we are. So 3 times square root 17, right? And then I need to find the equation of the line. So I'll create a new variable called l, and then that will be line AB, right? Press enter. So I'll got my line there. And then the equation, so l.equation, right? So that will just print out a bit of information. But what I can do is I'll just copy that again. So command copy and then paste it in here and then put my bracket. So there we are. So minus 12x plus 3y minus 21. This is equal to 0, right? And then I need to find the midpoint. So s, so the midpoint here, right? Dot midpoint, right? So there we are. So 3 over 2 and 13. So that's the middle point of the line. Okay, and then I need to find the slope or gradient. Yeah, so slope or gradient. So l dot slope, right? So that's 4, right? So positive 4, right? So I'm gonna manipulate this equation. So I'll just call it y, right? So my 12x goes to the side. So minus 12x goes to the other side. That'll become a 12x, and minus 21 becomes 21, right? Then divide by 3. So then get the y. So then 3 into 12, that's 4 times x, right? And then plus 7, right? So that's the equation of the line. And then I need to plot that line. So plot y. So just bear with me 1 second while it's processing. Yeah, so there we are. So that's our graph, right? And since the gradient is positive, so it goes upwards, right? And if it's negative, it will go this direction, right? I can show you that as well. Let me just cut this out. So yeah, 7 is the y-intercept, okay? Right. So I can create a new equation. So I'll call it y equals minus 4x plus 7. Right, let's see. Just bear with me 1 second. Oh, yeah, then plot it. My bad. Plot. Why? Duh. Yeah, there we are. So there's a gradient, a negative gradient, right? So you slope this side, right? Okay, cool. Yeah, it's all about the slight delay, but yeah, we got there in the end, right? Cool. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful, guys. And like I said, if you do like what you see, please do subscribe to the channel and please do share the videos with your friends. I would greatly appreciate that. Okay, cool. Bye.